Most modern vehicles are fitted with disc brakes. Each wheel has brake pads sitting brake calipers that press a disc that is attached to the wheel to slow the wheel down. Every time you brake, small particles of the brake pad are worn away. This is quite normal. These particles can form a dust which will coat the brake pad and other parts of the braking assembly. When washing your car, you may notice this brake dust on the wheels as well. As the brake pads naturally wear, their thickness reduces. If the visual inspection or warning light is ignored, eventually all of the brake pad material will wear away, leaving just the metal backing plate. However, it is good practice to change the brake pad way before this happens. The brake pad's thickness shows how much life is remaining on the pad. This will be checked by your trusted mechanic during your regular maintenance, and in many countries there is also a yearly government inspection in which brake pad thickness and often the braking performance is checked. From a safety perspective, vehicle manufacturers fit brake pad wear indicators that can alert the driver either with a light on the dashboard or via a metallic sound if the brake pad is worn too low. Your driving style and the load the vehicle carries will have an impact on the life of the brake pad. It's quite simple. The harder you brake and the heavier load that your vehicle carries, the quicker the brake pads will wear.